Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? Today I will be vlogging throughout the day. I'm gonna do that octopus tryout with the hot Cheetos, flaming hot Cheetos, and the hot 2-time spicy sauce. Me and my daughter, we're gonna try that. And then I gotta go get my lashes done. See the girl lash coming off. Yeah, I get that done. And just pretty much gonna be chillaxing today and possibly go get those crabs from Marty's because I've been waiting for it so long. You see my little bonnet? It's a long one. It's one my husband bought me. But since I got braids in it, it fits perfectly. It hangs long. Look at it. Big. But it's all good. I'm gonna let you guys hang with me today and see how I roll on a daily basis. Well, not on a daily basis, but for today, I'm gonna let you guys see how I roll. All right, going to practice. Bye, baby. See ya, dude. So cute. All right, y'all, we on our journey. Lashes is done up. Well, my daughter are done. Yeah, there go my son in the background. We chilling now. We about to be on the go. Going to Lily's. It's open. He said pick feet if possible. That's their menu. Let's go look at the stuff they got on the menu. I mean, right here, they got stuff made too already. Hello. Do you have pig feet today? No. No pig feet today? Okay. Y'all want to look up here or you want to look at something else over there? Alright. We got a 10 to 15 minute wait, so we're going to wait outside. Ooh, huh?
So I'm so excited to try those tamales. I ain't had tamales.
Look at my son. He's such a gentleman. He opened the door for you and closes it.
I should have got that video.
Oh, what he do? Such a gentleman. Yes, he is. Yes, yes he is. Woo. They actually have orders out here. I guess they're loading, unloading stuff. So,
Mom, I actually did my own feet.
Yep, you did on yourself.
Yes, I did.
They got our food. He opened the door for her, of course. She can't get. Oh, you gonna squash the food?
I could not get in. Thank you.
You that short? Look at him. He got all the food. My son is such a gentleman. Yes, he is.
I should have opened the door.
Yes, he is.
Oh my goodness.
We got canals now, y'all. I got the yellow rice, the chicken, and the black beans.
What was it, chicken one?
I think this. Yeah, they all take. You ain't even know what kind it was. You just said give you the tamales.
Because I like any tamales.
Oh, okay.
Like I like the red ones, green ones. I like all of them.
Ain't got no flavor. The ones in the hood taste the best.
From which place?
C-Mart.
You talking about downtown Christian?
C-Mart. Talking about the gas station.
Oh.
And you had a taste for it so bad.
Mm-hmm.
And it ain't what it used to be. And you could tell is they just really start putting the stuff out because nobody didn't really come in yet because it was early still. When we got there, we was waiting for ours to get done, like for them to get done that super burrito, because everything else was like out. People started coming in, pulling in. I'm not here eating somewhere. But the rice is banging. I could have definitely seasoned the black beans a little more. We gotta do this octopus video. I fried octopus in the chips. Flaming hot Cheetos. See how it tastes. Your beans wasn't good either?
Like everything was bland. Tomato was bland.
Yeah, I didn't put no seasoning in it.
It's supposed to be the best around that whole time.
We got this stuff from Millie's, y'all. You heard my husband, he said it's usually the best one around. We don't got a lot of flavor to the meal right now. Only thing that's like real flavorful. I mean, my chicken have a little flavor in the rice, but beans, no. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here. You eating? I said you eating?
I'm just taking a picture of the bathroom, but.
Oh, you in there posing for the.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I am done my food. It was okay. The rice was actually flavored. The chicken was a little tasty, but it was just dry. And of course the black beans, they just didn't have any season to them. And the tamale that I ate didn't have any season as well. My husband said they're usually good, but today I guess they weren't ready. They weren't ready. I don't know if we went too early or what, but anywho, I'm about to actually end this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see ya.